Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 15-minute time frame. All right, let's go straight to how the strategy works. Okay, I have volatility 75 index 15 minutes time frame on my chart, and I have about 4 windows. All right, this is my main chart. This is my main chart. This is indicator window 1. This is indicator window 2. This is indicator window 3. So that means I have 4 windows. All right, now the way the strategy works is when price crosses the moving averages around here. Okay, like it did cross. Like if you see this particular part, you can see range, price crossing up and down, up and down. But when it crosses and makes like 3 bullish candle close, all right, like you have the first bullish candle close here, the second and the third. Okay, so at the third close, which is somewhere around here, there's a third close. The third close is around here. Third close, bullish candle close above the moving averages around here. So that's where you have your buy signal. Okay, your stop loss should be somewhere around here. This is a lapping candle. This is your lapping candle, the candle that laps across all the Bollinger Bands, all the moving averages. I beg your pardon. Okay, your stop loss should be below the low of that candle. Okay, your stop loss should be below the low of that lapping candle, which is around here. Okay, your take profit should just be exactly the height or the peep height. Okay, so we'll be looking at take profit somewhere around here. Beg your pardon. Trying to get horizontal line. Okay, this is, so your take profit should be around here. Okay, so that is that. But you can always trail your profit. Can shift your stop loss. Like if you enter this trade around here, which is your entry, and your price moved up to take profit level, you can remove the TP and trail the stop loss by moving the stop loss to protect your trade and your account. Move the stop loss, and then as price continue up, okay, let me remove this. Okay, as volatility 75 price continues up, you shift your stop loss and you protect your trade. Okay, make sure you give it some distance so that by the time it fluctuates or reverses, it will not trip your stop loss and your account will still be protected. So that's for buy scenario. For sell scenario, let's look at a sell, look like a sell scenario here. All right, we have a bearish candle lapping here, which is a signal, but we do not have 3 candles closing in a bearish. We do not have 3 red candles closing straight. Okay, but we have another one here. Okay, and here we have 3 candles. We have almost 3 candles. We have 1, 2. Then this is the third candle, red candle closing straight down. So we can place our stop loss above the eye of the bearish candle, and our entry will be at the 3 candle, at the third red candle. All right, so we have 1, 2, then this is the third candle. So then our take profit will be the same height, peep height. Okay, which is something around this. about this. So take profit. All right. Okay. So as you can see, price still went a little lower. Okay, so you can, when price gets to this level, you can move your stop loss. Okay, I'm definitely with this trade to have tripped stop loss when price reverses. To have tripped stop loss. Okay, and you still be in profit and your account will be protected. So you can always re-enter at any point. Okay, so that's basically how to use the strategy on the main chart. This is also another side to it, bullish. Okay, bullish, two bullish candles lapping around here. So you consider the second bullish candle, which now has three bullish candle close above. Okay, so now you have your bullish candle close above. The third bullish candle, of course, our stop loss will be below the low of the lapping bullish candle. Then 1, 2, 3. This is your third bullish candle. You can use this as your third bullish. You can use this as your third bullish candle. Okay, let's use it as the third bullish candle. Then TP will be, let's measure our take profit. Take profit from the stop loss to the entry. So this should be our take profit. You can measure the take profit, and this is your TP. So as soon as price gets to TP, you can remove the TP and start to trail. You can shift your TP and start to trail your stop loss. Trail with stop loss. Okay. Obviously, when you shift up to this point and price reverses, it will trip the stop loss and your account will be protected. Okay, so that's basically how to use this strategy on the main chart. Now, what about the indicator window one? The way it works is when the red line, this red line, and this particular red line, when it crosses above all the indicators, I mean the moving averages and the Ichimoku band, when it crosses above, like you have a cross above here, this is your buy signal. Okay, so you can always enter buy trades when it crosses above. Okay, like you have around here. Okay, when it crosses below, like this, the cross below, but it's a fake out. Okay, it didn't break out, it actually just tested below and then went up, but this is a proper cross below. Okay, then this is a cross above for you to buy, like a buy signal. Okay, and this is a cross below for you to sell. Okay, this is another cross below. So when it just peeps out below all indicators, I mean the moving averages and the Ichimoku. All right. Okay, this is a cross above. So that's only when you buy. Like when it dips between, like you have a dip between the Ichimoku and the moving averages, that means range. But when it goes above, like it did go above around here, that means buy. Okay, like all what we have around here is range. This is range. Okay, when it comes out at the top, like you have around here, then it's time to buy. Okay, so that's basically how the indicator, how to apply signals on the indicator window one. Okay, let's look at how you can apply signals, how you can generate signals on the indicator window two. These are indicator window two. Okay, you buy when the red line crosses above. Okay, above the orange line, then you sell when the red line crosses below the orange line, like you have around here. Time to sell, like you have around here. Time to buy, it's time to sell. Okay, So that's that for indicator window 2. Let's look at the last indicator window, which is indicator window 3. All right, we have the red line crossing down, which is buy, for you to buy. We have it crossing up around here, up the moving averages around there. That's time for you to buy, and it's time for you to sell. Excuse me, this for you to sell. When it crosses below, sell. When it crosses above the moving averages, buy. Okay, let's sell, buy, sell. Just simple. Sell time and this buy time. Okay, so that's basically how the strategy works. You can see when it crosses above the moving averages around here, it's been buying. It's been buying, and it has not crossed back below the moving averages, so it's still in a bullish trend. Okay, so that's basically what the strategy is all about. It's a good strategy. Let's look at the settings. Let's consider the settings for the strategy. We have moving average, 20 period, simple moving average, apply to close, color is orange. That's for the main chart. Okay, that's for the main chart. We also have fractals to identify your point of price rejection at the support or resistance zone. Then this a 21 period simple moving average, apply to close, color is also orange. And then we have 19 period simple moving average, apply to close. Okay, color is also orange. So those are the 3 moving averages you have here. Okay, to tell you when it candle laps across it, it's like you'll have a lap here. Prepare to enter a trade or prepare to generate a signal when you now have either to the downside or to the upside 3 candle close above or below. Okay, if it's above, it must be 3 bullish candle close. Okay, like if you look at this point, okay, you have 2 bullish candle close, but the 3rd bullish candle close is around here. So you take your trade on the 3rd bullish candle close. You have 2 bullish candle close. Apart from the lapping candle, you have 2 bullish candle close here. One is like a doji, the other is like a bullish candle. The other is a bullish candle. Okay, and then followed by bearish dojis and candles with pin bars. Then you now have the 3rd bullish candle somewhere around here. So is it at the top of the 3rd bullish candle that you have your entry. Okay, so that's that for the main chart. Let's look at the settings for indicator window 1. We have relative strength index. The period is 5, apply to close, color is red. Then we have moving average, 50 period exponential moving average, apply to first indicator's data. Okay, the color will match the background color of the chart. Okay, then we have 100 period exponential moving average, first indicator's data, color is green. And we have 200 period exponential moving average, first indicator's data, color is orange. Then we have Ichimoku. The Tenkan Sen is 8, the Kinjun Sen is 23, Senkan span is 50, and only the up Kumo and down Kumo have green and has a green and a red color. Okay, so for indicator window 2, we have relative strength index, and this is settings. The period is 10, apply to close. Okay, then the levels, you have 0 level. All right. Okay, still on indicator window 2, we have moving averages. The period is 250. Okay, method is simple, apply to first indicators data, and the color is orange. Still on indicator window 2, we have another moving average. Period is 1, shift is -3, method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, and the color is red. And for indicator window 3, we have MACD. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Okay, the color will match the background color of the chart, and the level is 0. Still on indicator window 3, we have moving average. Period is 1, shift is -3, method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, color is red. The second moving average on indicator window 3, we have 200 period. Method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, color is blue. Okay, another moving average. All right, period is 300. Okay, method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, color is green. Another moving average, period is 250. Method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, color is orange. And lastly, we have relative strength index. Period is 10, apply to close. Okay, and the level, we have 55, 45, and the color is black. So that's that for the indicator settings. All right, the indicator parameters is a good strategy. Try to back test it, see if it works with you, if it works for you. All right, and then try it out on demo account for some time. As you try it on demo account, if you make consistent profit, then you can go live with small amount and see how it works. Okay, all right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button, share the channel link, click the like button, like our videos, uh, click the bell button below the video for notification, so that when we release the next video, you'll be the first to see that video on your notification dashboard. Also, make comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Then we have a website, www.binfxtrader.com, where we have publication of articles on how to trade Forex and volatility index. So I have another website, fxfables.com. So visit the website to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way next time.